Another sulit na foreclosed property for today's video at kung ang hanap mo ay house and lot na malilipatan mo agad at 40 to 50% below the market value, nako, wag mo na palagpasan ang video na to. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, together with Marian Sabido, and for today, we're gonna show you our TEA model here in Westwood 4, Lancaster, New City, Cavite. Disclaimer lang po, meron tayong approved caretaker dito with the bank na sila ang nangangalaga dito sa unit natin. Isa nga sa nagustuhan ko sa unit na to, minimal renovation na lang yung gagawin mo kasi naka-tiles na tayo, and even the kitchen area naka-expand na rin. Meron ka na ring balcony at may provision ka for one carport for this unit. Lot area is 50 square meters, floor area is 60 square meters, may 3 bedrooms ka, 1 in the ground floor, at kung makikita mo, napaka-okay pa ng statue. At meron ka na ring 2 toilet and bath dito. Sulit nga tong unit na to kasi minimal renovation and improvement na lang talaga ang gagawin mo. By the way, as is where is tayo, and once awarded sa'yo ang unit, of course, mag-move out na ang caretaker natin. And ito yung kitchen area natin na expand na rin ng previous owner, kaya naman wala ka na masyadong gagastusin. More on the paintings and of course, kung mag-i-interior ka pa sa unit mo. Ang kagandahan pa dito, wala tayong reservation, submit your requirements, pay the 20% down payment, and once approved ka na, within 7 days, pwede ka nang makalipat. At alam mo ba kung magkano lang to? 2.4 million lang to. Napakababa ng price yan, ha? Almost 40 to 50% from the regular price. So, para tara tripping na tayo, link in bio or caller messages in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!